Cool, what do we got here?
Hey, look, we got some cup stacking going on.
We're gonna stack some cups.
We're gonna stack some cups.
Yes.
My friend Chris Bruce.
Hey, I'm Chris.
Jess Ruggieri. We're with the fun department. We're gonna show you how to cup stack.
All right, talk to me, Goose. What am I doing?
Now listen, you know this is like a world cup stacking challenge. Like we're trying to actually beat a record.
Okay, that's probably not gonna happen today, but we
Probably
can practice.
not gonna happen. So we're gonna practice because we want to show you guys how this is going down. Because I know that you are going to be able to.
Wait, aren't they going up?
Yeah, well, they're going to do two patterns.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just kind of explain how this goes to you, my friend, and to you guys at Christianity Care.
Yeah, I am you right now.
This is all we ask of you. Find a partner on your team.
Yes.
And you're each going to use one hand.
And
so
you can pick either one?
You can pick whatever hand you want. Doesn't matter. All right?
I don't think it matters for me. It probably
we're going to pick a hand.
Yeah, okay. Right hand.
Chris, we have two patterns that we need to build.
Okay.
So from start to finish, all right? So we're going to start with your hand on the mat.
Hands on the mat.
And we're going to build 3 stacks of 3, and there's going to be 1 extra cup because there's 10.
Okay, got
right.
it. So there's 10 cups, 3 stacks of 3 extra cups.
Yes.
Got it.
So it goes something like this.
Okay. So then I'll do the same thing, I guess. And then I do a stack as well, and then we work
Finish
together,
that,
and then there's
you got
an
the
extra cup. Put it
Boom.
down.
So there's 1.
Okay.
All right, let's
And
restack.
then okay, got it.
I'll go to the top.
Okay, you're going to the top.
All right, and now 1 big stack of 10.
Okay.
So that looks something like this. So we'll go 4 on the bottom.
Like that?
Yep, 3, 2,
Like
and
that.
1.
Okay.
And then you stack, you unstack, if that's what you call it. And then you're going to finish like that.
Okay. And just for the record, that
Yes.
took us 26 minutes.
Yes.
The world record is like
20 seconds.
6 seconds?
7 seconds?
No, I don't know. It's really
I think
quick.
it's like 6 seconds.
It's crazy.
So
Yeah, so if you just speed this up a lot, we might have broke the record.
that's it.
Yeah.
So if you have any other questions, we'll see you on Monday and hope you have a good time.
Can I bring my hand back?
Yeah,
Okay, I have
we
2
got
hands
you have 2
now.
hands.
Yeah. Awesome.